Hello everyone. Today I'm planning to add the weapon. So in the weapons core we will create our first weapon, which will be an actor. Let me quickly call this BP underscore weapon underscore core. So every other one will be a child of this one. What are we going to do here? We're going to add a component, a skeletal mesh component, which will be the arms. Let's recall this arms. Rename. Let's add another skeletal mesh. Let me quickly call this one gun. So this will be the TT33, which is the TD, and this will be the FPS arms. As you can see, it doesn't quite work yet. So let's set this one to the FPS arms skeleton or an in blueprint. Let's set to the FPS TT skeleton. That will just make it work with montages and such. So if you're if we are at the shooting and your montages do not work, just make sure your name class is set. Now what we're going to do is get the parent socket or the weapon socket, and as you can see, it is now attached perfectly. Let's compile that, and what we have now is basically our weapon. So another thing I want to do in this video is create our update weapon function. So create a new function, call it update weapon, and in the weapon I'll just add an input, new parameter. Let me quickly call this one weapon. Let's make this not an integer, BP weapon core reference. So there we go. What I want to do now is check if this one is valid. So the one is valid, the other one, the one with a little question mark. So if that is valid, then we'll get this one. Go to a local variable. Let me quickly call this one the weapon. Weapon var or var weapon. We'll set the var weapon if it is valid. Let me quickly add a reroute node here, just keep everything tidy. Add another reroute node and then set it. Set. And there we go. Set the var weapon and then destroy actor. That weapon, because we will update it to another one. Add a reroute node. Wait, I messed up. Let's delete these. What we want is a class, a BP weapon core, and then the class reference, not the other reference, and then we'll have to create a variable. Let me quickly call this one weapon reference, and this will be a reference, BP weapon core reference. So let me quickly check, get is valid. The weapon reference, so you can delete the local variable. This needs to be a proper variable. If it is valid, then we'll destroy it. Destroy actor, the weapon reference. If it is valid, then we'll destroy it. Let me quickly add a reroute node here. Not a return node, a reroute. And again, a reroute, not a return. So we'll just add this under there, and then we'll go to spawn actor from class. And we'll make a transform. And you can just leave all of these at 0. And the class will be this weapon. So we have to reroute this as well, just to keep everything tidy. Add a reroute node there. Add it into the class. Like so. Now we'll set weapon reference. And now we'll attach to component. The parent will be the weapon component and with no socket name. So what we did here was just update the weapon. If I were to go to the event graph and for instance go and do 1 and 2, we can update the weapons. So here I can update weapon to the, let me quickly create some children. Weapon TT33. TT33 underscore purple. And let me quickly create a material just for showing it off. Purple. I will instantly delete this after, so no need to name it properly. It's just a waste of time. Purple-ish, this is a little bit too pink, ain't it? A little bit more purplish. With like 0.2 roughness, just to make it nice and a little bit reflective. And in the purple, I'll just add this to the weapon. Just make the weapon purple. It's just compiling the shaders right now. Or I did not apply it, the settings yet, I did. And as you can see, that one is purple. So now I can update this one to the 33, and if I press 2, I'll update it to the purple. If I play, I can press 1, I can press 3, or 2. As you can see, it just updates the weapon. So next time I'll start with a little bit on the weapon, not the no shooting or aiming or anything. Just some of the basics, just preparing it.